This is Tom. Tom is a German master. Not at ping pong, not at golf, not even at cards. Tom is a German master at making coffee. An icon on the coffee scene. He is sensationally good. A fact that is confirmed by everyone who has been treated to his specialty coffees over the last 10 years at the Murrelektronik trade show booth. Unfortunately, trade shows do not last all year, and it is rare to enjoy such a perfectly prepared cup of coffee. Tom will now explain what is involved in making good coffee, to give you some ideas you can take home with you. Here are Tom's simple tricks for getting the best out of your coffee machine.
Sometimes I get the question, "Hey Tom, what is the best cup of coffee?" My answer, there is no best cup of coffee. My job as a barista is to create the perfect cup of coffee. What does it mean, the perfect cup of coffee? There's one big parameter. We call it grind size. If you get too coarse coffee, the water is running too fast through the grounded coffee. That means we call it under extraction, and in your cup is only a sour taste. A over extraction means your grind size is too fine. That means the water is running too slow to the grounded coffee, and in your cup you will find more bitterness. Now we get advice for our full automatic coffee machine users. Take always a look on the color of the coffee. It starts with a really dark brown. In the middle it's got lighter and lighter. And in the end of the extraction it get a really white extraction color. At this point you get all the good flavors in your cup, and please stop the extraction because your coffee is getting more bitter and bitter. If your coffee is too strong, please thin it out with hot tap water. So now we steam the perfect milk. How does it work? We get two phases for steaming milk. The first we call pouring, the second we call rolling. Pouring means we add air into the milk. When we add a lot of air into the milk, we get a lot of foam. When we add less air into the milk, we get less foam. The second phase creates the nice creamy texture in your mouth. That means we roll the big bubbles into the milk, and during this rolling process we create micro bubbles. And when the bubbles are very small and thin, we create this real nice creamy texture of a good cup of cappuccino. Thanks for watching. I hope you give it a try and enjoy many amazing cups of coffee.